We are waiting for the morning show. The sun must come soon over the mountains. The cows are very curious about Rasta. Gell? Ja, ja. Bin ich curious. Where is the sun now? Ja, du musst jetzt nicht zu mir kommen, du musst trinken. Schatz Gottes. Hä? Schau mal, the milk. Hey, bist du am Sabbern? Aber gröber. You need to drink the milk. Also gut. Look at all these flowers. I guess this is a last summer hello or a summer goodbye. Huh? It's good weather for the paragliders. We have some wind. Nein, Rasta, this is nothing to eat. Gell? We see again the Fiescher Glacier. So impressive. Herzige Häuser, huh? Looks like the rusticos in the south of Switzerland, huh? But it looks like that no people live in here. Ist glaube nicht so bewohnt. Now the creepy part of the hike is coming. Also creepy. Ist nicht creepy, aber es ist recht ein dunkles Tunnel. It's a very dark tunnel. But this is the way to Märjelensee. Yes, come with me. As you can see, it is quite a dark tunnel. And it's quite a long tunnel. Ich habe keine Ahnung wie lang, aber es ist eh lang. Creepy. After about 15 minutes walking through the tunnel, we finally arrived on the other side of Märjelensee. Here we are. Jetzt gehen wir dann noch rauf. Voilà. Nice, huh? These sheep have a great life here. Huh? Wusstet ihr das auch? And if you ask why they have colors on their back, you know why? Hi. You want to say hello? Oh, das ist aber lieb. The colors is that the farmers know which sheep are from which farmer, you know. Hey, du bist aber ein zutrauliches, du. Hä? Ja, ist ja gut. Ist ja gut. Hä? Oh, you need love, huh? You need love. Really? Hä? Ist das so? Hä? Ja, you want the salt? Hä? Oder willst du mich einfach auffressen? You wanna eat me? Really? Hä? Ich weiß ja nicht mehr, was ich erzählt habe, but I think I promised you that we will see the glacier again. And here we are. Huh? A little bit closer. And we go again closer. Well, do you see the white stuff there? Yeah, this is the glacier. Ja, sieht speziell aus, hä? Looks special. The structures of ice. I was on this glacier 2 years ago, I think. Maybe you can see the two persons. Wat het mal sind's? They are irgendwo finde ich's. Yeah, do you see them? Yeah, in the middle now. They're doing a glacier tour now. But it's so crowded, we will not go down. Too many people. And Rasta is een beetje genervt. He don't like too much people. So we probably go back. Yay! I see light at the end of the tunnel. Und was für Eis. Hä? Nice. So now we are back on our way to Fiescheralp. Dann werden wir noch ein bisschen scheffeln and then we work a little bit to show you the new stuff we recorded. Yeah, and tomorrow we will see what happens tomorrow. I think I have a very nice surprise. Yeah, I'm quite sure. So I hope you enjoyed this and we'll see us in the next video. Ade!